Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another scary Halloween makeup look for you guys. This look actually is quite different from the last makeup look. The last makeup look was inspired by the movie The Conjuring 2 and I did the nun character from it. But for today's video, I wanted to do something really different and really fun. I have been following this artist here on Instagram for a while now. Her name is Mimi Choi, I think, and she is based out of Vancouver, Canada, and she does these really cool makeup looks. They're mostly surreal makeup looks or like distorted makeup looks, and something that when you look at the image you will look twice, like, you know what I mean, like yeah, I will link her Instagram in the info box below so you guys can check her out. She's an amazing, very talented makeup artist. So I wanted to recreate one of her makeup looks that she did a really long time ago. So this is the image right here, and look at that image. It's literally like a face which is melting off. It's not gonna look exactly as this picture right here, but we're gonna give it a go because her face shape is obviously much more different from mine. So yeah, let's just get started. You know, as an artist, I always want to challenge myself and try new things. You know, always doing like the same warm, smoky eye gets a little bit boring at times. So Halloween is the time when I look forward to the most because I can do such creative looks. I'll also link this image in the info box so you guys can reference that after the video if you guys were interested or curious to see. I'm gonna zoom you guys in now and we'll get started. I just want to say that I have already all of my makeup done. Like the base makeup is already done. She already had a full face of makeup on, and then she's added those bits to make it look more surreal. So I thought I would just do the base makeup. I still have to do the lips, but I did most of the makeup, and then we're gonna get to adding those special effects and then making it look, you know, like my face is melting off. I'm gonna start off actually with this eyebrow pencil. This is from L'Oreal and this is my regular brow stylist. Okay, so for the face to look a little bit melted, we need to create like a shape here with the outer corners, and that has to be black because that will just shrink our face a little bit, and that's what I feel like she has done. So I'm gonna do an outline with this brow pencil. Because this is a brow pencil and not like a eyeliner, it's gonna be easy for me to erase the line if I make any mistakes. So you can make it look as skinny as you like or as wide as you like, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna try to make it, you know, make the line sort of closer to the edge of my hairline. It's got to look somewhat believable. And also doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical. I feel like she has tilted her head over this side, so it's actually melting off a little bit towards the corner here. So we're just not going to worry about this side, we're going to worry more about this side. So let's see how it looks. We can always add the black here if we need to, because the brows are also wobbly, so we're going to do that right now. Okay, so we're gonna tackle the eyes next. First, I'm gonna go in with a black marker. So I'm gonna draw the outline of my eyes coming down like this. So I have a Q-tip here. This is harder than it looks, but we're gonna get through this. Hopefully I don't look like a clown by the end of the day. Because I have cheeks, so it is making it harder for me to draw the straight lines. Wherever I have created this, I'll fill the inside with white liner. The eyes are melting off, but then when we add the black, it's the eyeballs are melting off too. We're gonna add black on the forehead now, wherever we have left that mark. So just try to go within the lines. I'm gonna switch to a liquid liner just to make sure that these things are filled up properly. And also that the line is pretty sharp. So just trace over that line with the Fenty liner. I'm going to be adding some accents with this L'Oreal brow definer. I'm going to take a contouring palette and a pencil brush, and I'm just going to add some accents here to make it look like it's shaded. Now I'm going to be going in with the white pencil and adding my accents. We're gonna have to blend this out. I'm gonna be taking a Q-tip and just blend it out. Alright, so now we're gonna be doing the lips part. And obviously the lips are gonna be dripping as well. I'm going to be using this MAC Mahogany Lip Liner to add some accents near where the lips have dropped. For the lips, she's also added a little bit of a black accent to make it look like, you know, the bottom lips are like coming down. I'm going to be taking a black lipstick from the ABH lip palette. We are also going to be doing a little bit on the nose, just a black shadow. And then we're going to use the eyeshadow brush and just contour around the nose. We're going to add white accents here. I think this makeup look is now complete. It just literally looks like I can't speak right now, but I can. It is very weird. I hope the look turned out somewhat good. Obviously it's my first time trying out a makeup look like this, so you know it's not perfect. A lot of the times I struggled with like the liner, mainly because the liners are too soft and they're getting smudgy, and you want the lines to look really precise. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!